Hello parents, this video is going to help walk you through the steps to do your returning student enrollment and new student enrollment applications. So you can do this on your computer or laptop or through the Parent Portal app on your phone. So the first thing you're going to do is go to cmicharter.org, which will bring you to the CMI website. And if you go under Parents, and all the way down at the bottom, it says Student Registration. This will take you here to this page where you can either choose for returning students or for new student applications. If you have returning students, you should be able to click this and log into your Parent Portal. If you do not remember your Parent Portal password or you need an account set up, you can go under Parents, Parent Portal Password Reset, which will take you to this Google form that you can fill out, and once you submit that, you'll get an email within 1 to 2 days with your login information. But if you go ahead and go back here to the registration page, I'm going to select returning students to walk you through the steps. I'm going to go sign on as campus parent and log into my account. Once you're logged in, you want to go to More and then Online Registration. From here, you're going to select the 2021-22 school year when the option is there and begin registration. Then you can select your preferred language and type in your name here, and you can get started. So basically, you're just going to walk through each page and confirm that all of your information is correct and up to date. Just have to keep hitting next, confirm everything is correct, and then save and continue. Anything that's in yellow, you're going to have to edit and just either make updates or save. And once you are done saving that, it won't be yellow anymore and you know it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. Just got to make sure you're clicking through, hitting next. Has no email, hitting next. Not in the military. Save and continue. So each page is going to be a few steps of just next, 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 and then save and continue. And you just have to go through each page individually and update everything. So it is a few steps, but you just click through. And when you get to the end, you can submit it. And you're done updating your students. You'll just hit save and continue once again, and it'll take you to this final page where you do have to hit submit in order for it to be fully complete. Confirm, and then you're all done. So through the process, you just want to make sure that you're clicking in and updating and saving everything and hitting save and continue until you get to the final page where you submit.